It was a weekend of toing and froing from Dublin City Council when it came to the proposed renaming of Herzog Park in Rathgar, which eventually settled on the proposal being withdrawn over an administrative oversight. The council had come under increasing national and international pressure to rescind the renaming proposal, and the change will not now go before Dublin City Council this evening.
Chaim Herzog is a local Irish Jewish hero. He was born in Belfast. He came down here with his father, who became chief rabbi of Ireland and who was a friend of De Valera's and spoke Irish. And Chaim Herzog then lived his life, his early life, from the age of, I think, around 1 year old to the time he was 17 or 18, and he went to school in Wesley College. He then left and he joined the British Army, and he was one of the men that actually arrested Himmler. He freed many victims of the Holocaust from the camps, and then went on to Israel, where he was leader of the Labour Party, and he eventually became president. Absolutely, it is anti-Semitic. It is interfering with our small community, the history that we have, and it's for the wrong reasons. The reason it is anti-Semitic is because it is taking away one of the Irish Jewish heroes, and what's being said about Herzog is not based in reality. His public career was illustrious. Many people, I am guessing around 80% of Israelis, do not necessarily agree with their government. And that's fine. I'm not sure everybody agrees with our government over here either for what they do. But what Israel is often accused of is collective punishment. Now, it is collective punishment to look at Jews in Ireland and try and punish them for something that is happening thousands of miles away by another government. And I have to say that most Irish Jews, in fact, all Irish Jews, are only looking for peace in the Middle East and peace for the Palestinians and peace for the Jews and the Israelis.